Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to install MS Office 2007 application software on your computer. Now we can try to set up MS Office 2007. Let's go. This application software installation process is very simple and same as other application software installation. So now I should go to my source file location. So software MS Office, click on Microsoft Office Personal 2007. So now click on setup. Please wait while setup prepare. So product key. Now I copy the product key and paste on this place. Now I continue. I accept the item of the agreement. Okay, continue and install. Installing Microsoft Office Enterprise 2007. So our installation process is starting now. Now Microsoft Office Enterprise 2007 has been successfully installed. Visit Microsoft Office online to get product update help and online service. Go to Office online. No, close. Now I click on close. So this is the full procedure of installed Microsoft Office application 2007. Thanks for watching the video.